Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a project that's quietly making massive moves behind the scenes, the Internet Computer Protocol, or ICP. Now, if you're the type who prefers cold hard numbers over hype, this video is for you. Because when it comes to blockchain performance, the numbers don't lie. Forget Twitter speculation, forget chatter on Reddit. Let's talk actual on-chain activity, supply dynamics, and what these trends could mean for investors over the coming months. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any investment decisions. Let's start with the fundamentals. Transactions per second. ICP just hit an impressive 1,124 TPS this week. And this isn't some theoretical number on a testnet or a hypothetical benchmark. This is verified, live on-chain activity. When we compare ICP's performance to other high-speed networks like Solana, Base, BNB Chain, Stellar, or Tron, ICP consistently comes out ahead in raw execution speed. Across multiple analyses shared in the community, the difference isn't marginal, it's clear, measurable, and significant. Of course, performance alone doesn't guarantee price gains, but it certainly sets the stage for meaningful adoption. For context, think back to ZEC, which dominated discussions between October and early November before peaking. Analysts are now pointing to ICP as a potential contender to claim that spotlight next. Whether it happens or not, the positioning is compelling. Next, let's talk supply and demand. Coinbase reserves of ICP have been plunging, even as the price has started to climb. At this point, there are only about 284,000 ICP tokens left on the exchange. This isn't just an arbitrary statistic, it's an actual signal of scarcity. When liquidity dries up like this, basic economics tells us that price pressure can increase substantially. Investors don't need a degree in economics to understand the implications. Fewer tokens available on exchanges can lead to higher prices if demand continues. Technically speaking, ICP is also showing bullish signs. Analysts have pointed out that the coin has broken out of a falling wedge pattern, a classic chart formation often associated with trend reversals. While nothing in crypto is guaranteed, volatility reigns supreme. These signals provide a reason for optimism from a technical perspective. Beyond trading, ICP represents a fascinating evolution in blockchain technology. Bitcoin, of course, is digital gold, energy-intensive, proof-of-work secured, and mostly a store of value. ICP, on the other hand, is carving a path as programmable cloud infrastructure. Think about it, decentralized tamper-proof code that can handle complex applications, tokenization, and even AI-driven software development. Multiple voices in the space argue that ICP is currently leading this technological race by a wide margin. When you examine what's being built, it's hard to argue otherwise. Looking back, ICP previously surged to around $9, sparking conversations of too late to enter. Now, some analysts are suggesting that double-digit valuations could return next month. The roadmap for ICP, particularly initiatives like Chain Fusion, shows deep, ongoing innovation. Complex cryptography is being implemented faster than almost any other project in the sector, while competitors are often more focused on marketing and hype than real development. Market behavior also supports this narrative. ICP, along with Filecoin, has shown strong resilience over the past few weeks. Both coins were largely written off by mainstream investors, yet their recent rallies demonstrate attempts to reverse longer-term trends. With the total crypto market cap recovering from recent lows, these moves are noteworthy. Analysts are watching specific price levels closely, like the harmonic optimized price, as potential support zones that could guide the next leg of growth. Additionally, broader developments in crypto highlight ICP's emerging relevance. XRP is exploring new narratives. ISO 2022 has been added to CoinMarketCap, and ICP, along with Hedera, HBAR, has made it into the top 100 projects by some metrics. These milestones suggest that ICP may benefit from increasing institutional recognition and regulatory alignment heading into 2026. Of course, there are risks. Some analysts warn that if recently broken support zones aren't reclaimed, ICP could dip toward $3.40 to $3.60. Technical patterns show that previous support can become resistance, a classic principle in chart analysis. But even considering potential downside, the network activity tells a different story. ICP transfer volumes are near yearly highs, indicating actual usage beyond speculative trading. People are interacting with the network, building on it, and exploring its potential in real-world applications. A particularly interesting insight comes from one observer who said that if you're not bullish on ICP, try building something with caffeine AI. Using the technology firsthand can completely change one's perspective. Unlike many crypto projects that focus solely on token speculation, ICP offers utility that can reach mainstream adoption. This practical, usable technology, combined with the network's ongoing innovations, reinforces the argument that ICP is currently undervalued. In short, ICP is a project to watch, both from a technical perspective and as a long-term infrastructure play. With top-tier on-chain performance, dwindling exchange supply, bullish chart patterns, and real-world usage driving activity, it's clear why analysts are talking about ICP as one of the most undervalued projects in crypto today. The road ahead isn't risk-free. No investment in this space is, but the combination of technological innovation, network growth, and potential market scarcity creates a compelling case for future upside. Whether ICP hits double digits soon or takes longer to develop, the fundamentals suggest there's significant potential for growth. So, if you're serious about understanding which blockchain projects are not just hype, but are actually building meaningful solutions, ICP deserves a closer look. Keep an eye on this one. The numbers, the adoption, and the technology all tell an intriguing story that might define the next chapter in crypto innovation. So, what do you think about ICP's current position? Are you bullish on its growth in AI and DeFi? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found value in this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay cautious, and I'll catch you in the next one.